Meme pages on Instagram have shifted their strategy, and right now, reposts are the metric everyone cares about. Reposts are the fastest way for meme creators to reach new audiences without running ads or relying on massive follower counts. Every time someone reposts your meme, it reaches a brand new circle of followers who probably share the same sense of humor but haven't discovered your page yet. Reposts also act as social proof. When people publicly share a meme, it signals that the content is worth showing off, which encourages others to like, comment, and follow the original creator. Instagram's algorithm picks up on this quickly. The more reposts you collect, the more your memes get pushed into Explore and Recommendations. Right now, Instagram's repost feature is leveling the playing field for meme creators. Big pages no longer control the entire meme ecosystem. Smaller pages can grow just as fast if their content hits the right tone and gets shared by the right people. And if you're trying to get more reposts yourself, the strategy is simple. Use hashtags that match your meme's niche instead of recycling broad ones. Test different combinations so you can see whether your memes perform better with a few targeted hashtags or a long list of wider ones. Call to action memes still work too. Formats like repost this to save your friend or tag someone who needs this energy make sharing feel natural and fun. Even the captions don't need to be perfect. Some of the most viral memes online have random text, chaotic energy, or captions that barely make sense. That rawness makes the post feel effortless, which often makes it more shareable. At the end of the day, most reposts happen because people relate to a meme or it makes them laugh. That's it. So experiment constantly. Use different formats, switch up your captions, and grab trends while they're moving. The more you test, the easier it becomes to spark those quick, spontaneous reposts that keep your memes circulating across the app.